Hey, so if tools in Photopea suddenly stop working, like brush, crop, or selection tools aren't responding, yeah, don't worry. This is usually a simple fix. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to solve it step by step. First thing, make sure you're using the correct tool. Click the tool again from the left toolbar, just to reset it. Next, check your layers panel. So if you're on the wrong layer, the tool might look like it's not working at all. All right, check if your layer is locked. Locked layers won't allow edits, so click the lock icon to unlock it. Now make sure nothing is selected. If there's an active selection, tools will only work inside that area. Next, reset your tool settings. So if brush size or settings are broken, it can make tools behave strangely. All right, refresh Photopea. Temporary glitches can stop tools from responding properly. And yeah, disable extensions like ad blockers or try incognito mode. These can interfere with tool functions. So that's how you fix Photopea tools not working issues. One of these steps should get everything back to normal.